Unleash the power of Moringa.
Nature's little secret, the incredible Moringa tree. It's not just any tree, it's a superfood powerhouse. Moringa powder is like the magic wand of the health world. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it's a superhero among superfoods. From stronger immunity to glowing skin, Moringa has got your back. Adding it to your daily routine, and you'll be amazed by the benefits. What our customers are saying. Add a teaspoon of Moringa powder to your morning smoothie for an instant nutrient boost. It's also perfect for baking, soups, and even salad dressings. Ready to experience the power of Moringa? Join the Moringa movement and unlock a world of health and vitality. Unleash the power of Moringa and transform your life. Get started today. Visit our website to learn more and order. Thank you. Until next time, remember, you are what you eat.